Hey guys, I don't think we're ready for the test just yet. I'm going to push it back one more day. We had several people that had tech issues at the beginning of this e-learning adventure, so I want to give them at least this extra day to get caught up, and definitely everyone can use a little bit more time to get caught up. Maybe look back over the things that you've taken notes over, things like that. The new assignment that I have for you today is a scavenger hunt, and what I'm hoping that you'll do is use the QR code to scan it with your phone, and then hopefully get a little bit of a break from your computer screens, get out and be in the world a little bit. Most of these things that I'm looking for, I'm asking for an endothermic reaction and an exothermic reaction. You shouldn't have to leave your house to find those. You certainly can choose to leave your house and find those reactions, but you don't have to. So my hope again is that you'll use that QR code and find these examples of these processes happening in real life. Now, I hope you saw my note about safety. Please, please, please be safe. I don't want you blowing up anything to show me an exothermic reaction, and I definitely don't want you mixing any household chemicals, whether that be cleaners or anything in your garage or anything like that. Please, please don't do that. Like I said, look for processes. Look for things that happen maybe on a big scale, maybe on a small scale. Definitely worth a quick Google search, and you won't have to search very hard. You won't have to look very hard around you to find examples of endothermic and exothermic reactions. Often they're paired up. So one thing that I want to encourage, if you want to work together on this assignment, I absolutely encourage that. If you have neighbors that live around you and you want to get together and do this assignment together, I'm definitely okay with that. If both of you, you're going to do it independently on your own phones, that's great. If you want to work together and combine phones, maybe somebody doesn't have a smartphone that works with QR code, whatever, I'm great with that. I'm good with whatever you can make work. So definitely trying to make it kind of a pump the brakes, let's catch our breath kind of day. And then next week, like I said, we'll get after it with the test, and then we'll make a plan from there. So make sure you see my other video where I talk about grades, because I know there are some people that are a little bit nervous about how their grades are going to be affected and how grading is going to happen, and there's just lots of questions around grades. So I put together a video that I put on the home screen that kind of explains what you can see in Skyward and what it means and all those types of things. So just make sure you check that out and have a great day. And I can't wait to see the reactions that you guys can find. So I'll talk to you guys soon.